All right. Hello and good morning, everybody. Sherwood, Oregon. Beautiful Saturday. It's not raining, but maybe sneak a ride in later. Just want to do a quick video. Yesterday, my brother and I, Mr. Ben Ballinger, swapped out my stock pipes for the two brothers. Boom! Shorty Turnouts. I wanted to do this video because I'm like super shocked at how heavy the stock pipes are. These two bad boys alone were like over 17 pounds. It was like 17.2 pounds or something. And then the headers were, I believe, 4.1 pounds. The bracket, oh my gosh, this thing, 2.4 pounds. And then these were like 2.2 pounds together with the straps on there. Obviously none of the bolts attached, but like these brackets are still on there right there. But yeah, man, I'm just like, that's a lot of weight. That's over like 25 pounds, and I'm a fat guy, so I need all the less weight the better, just for that confidence of riding and whatnot. So I mean, part of it's me. I should probably lose some weight, probably. But yeah, trusty scale right there. Super stoked. Just quick shout out to everyone that's been helping out. I've reached out to a ton of people. Obviously Ben, family member, has been helping me out a lot. And then my boy, Night King, another guy, Infamous Creep, Matt Laidlaw, from Laidlaw Harley Davidson. A couple other people. If I forgot you, I apologize. But just super stoked. Got the pipes on, and you know, obviously this is, I want to share stuff because I feel like every time I look stuff up online for the Fatboy, especially the 2020 Milwaukee 8s, there's not really a whole lot of information, so just want to try and get that out to everybody. You know, obviously, you know, a lot of us have that bike, and especially the 30th anniversary. You know, obviously there's a page on Facebook, and man, everyone on that page, man, you guys are awesome. But yeah, hoping to share a bunch of stuff. I got a lot of video content from the install of the pipes, a couple how-tos that I'll get. You know, obviously editing is time consuming, and I'm a rookie when it comes to that, so just want to share everything that I got going on with the bike, and just, you know, life. So appreciate everybody. But yeah, that boy's right here. You know what, let's do a little cold start action. It's a little dirty. Yesterday was kind of raining, so she got a little bit dirty when we went on a test run, but just a huge difference, man. I just love how you just show off the rear tire, just, you know, more of the back end of the bike, and yeah, just super stoked. It's so sleek, man. That black, you know, obviously I think they got polished and stainless, and that turnout, there's not too many that have them, but I kind of just did a lot of research, and I think there's a couple of us with the anniversary bikes that have them. So thanks for all the guys that, you know, gave me information when I asked. Love the community, especially on Facebook, man. We've been sharing a lot of really good things, and obviously I love this bike. It's my first Harley. I've been running, you know, probably close to 12 years, but obviously not a mechanic by any means. Right now, just really into the DIY, you know, do it yourself and just kind of save money. Harley Davidson is just, I love them, man, to death. Like, customer service is great and all that, but it's just a little pricey, man, to get stuff done. So shout out to my boy Ben, man. He's been helping me out so much with anything and everything for this bike, so super stoked. So yeah, go ahead and do a little cold start and see what we get. the afternoon. I think I just woke up some of the neighbors that sleep in. But yeah, man, that bad boy is super loud. As I back up into the garage slowly, sneak away from the other neighbors that are outside right now. But yeah, yeah, man, feel free to comment, like, you know, I want to get something started on YouTube. You know, obviously I have a page from, you know, me sharing my music and my daughter's music from a long time ago. But yeah, poke the like button, subscribe if you'd like. But more content to come. As I said, it's a struggle for me right now, just, you know, learning how to edit and all that stuff. It's kind of a pain, but I'll get it. It's just one of those things, obviously, when the more you do it, the better you get. So hopefully that's true. If you have any questions, comments, anything, go ahead and share those with me. And if you don't like it, hit the dislike button twice, 2 times, okay? Mahalo, guys. All right, fat boy out. Boom.